Namaskar dear learners, I welcome you all to SRN Knowledge Center. I am a faculty of Social Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today, I am explaining here the chapter The Peninsular Plateau Region, Central Highlands, Part 1 of Grade 9th. In this chapter, I would be covering following subtopics. They are physiography, climate, soils, natural vegetation and animal life, population and settlement, economic development. Let's begin with topic. The word peninsula is derived from two Latin words. Pen means the almost and insula means island. Hence, the land that is almost like an island is called peninsula. It indicates the portion of the land that is surrounded by water on three sides. It is the land that appears to be protruding into the sea. The land lying to the south of North Indian plains is considered as peninsular India. Peninsular India is one of the ancient land masses of the earth. It has undergone a number of changes since its long geological past. Major part of peninsular India has igneous and metamorphic rocks and it covers approximately 38% area of India's total geographical area. Peninsular India is a storehouse of different minerals. Particularly the Aravalli Mountains, Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Karnataka Plateau are well known for their mineral wealth. The peninsula basically includes a series of plateaus and each one has distinct physiographic characteristics. The Western Ghats from the water divide that separates the drainage of Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. River Narmada is considered as a boundary separating the peninsular area into two broad divisions. Central Highlands lying to the north of Narmada and Deccan Plateau extending southwards from the Narmada Valley till the southern tip of the peninsula. We will study about the salient features of these divisions in next chapters. Let's know about the Central Highlands physiography. The region extending from the southern rim of the North Indian Plain up to the Narmada Valley is called the Central Highlands. It mainly comprises of the peninsular area that forms a part of Ganga River Basin. The Aravalli Mountains, East Rajasthan upland, Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand, Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Vindhya ranges from the subdivisions of the Central Highlands. Most of the rivers originating from north in this physiographic division flow in a southwest to the northeast direction. The Central Highlands are wider in the west and the width decreases towards the east. Some of the noteworthy landscapes of this physiographic divisions are Mount Abu in Aravalli Mountains, riverine badlands of River Chambal, Marble Gorge of River Narmada near Jabalpur and Kaimur, escarpment of the far eastern part of the Central Highlands. Let's know about the climate of this region. Due to its vast size of region has a large variation in climate. To the east of the Aravalli range, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand experience humid subtropical climate. The winters are generally dry and the summers are hot and temperature can reach 46 degrees Celsius in this area. May and June are hottest months. The rainy season is from June to September and the annual rainfall between 750 mm to 1500 mm. Let's know about the soils of this region. Black soil formed from basalt rock is found in Madhya Pradesh. This contains a high percentage of clay and is moisture retentive. Red soils are found in the Aravallis. These are deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus and humus but are rich in iron. Laterite soils are formed in the eastern regions receiving heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall results in leaching out all soluble material of the top layer of soil. Natural vegetation and animal life. The natural vegetation in Malwa region is tropical dry forest with scattered teak forest. The main trees are babool, bambox and acacia. The main trees are babool, antelope, bagbuck and chinkara are some common animals of this area. The last century rapid deforestation has led to various environmental problems. The central highlands has dry deciduous forest. Though the plateau has a variety of vegetation, sal forest is predominant trees. Forests range from dry to wet and height of trees up to 25 meter. The plateau is also swampy in some places and in other parts is covered with bamboo clumps and shrubs. Tigers, Asian elephants, four-horned antelope, black buck, chinkara and wild dogs are some animals found here. Wild birds include the threatened lesser florican, Indian grey hornbill and other hornbills. More than half of the natural forest on the plateau has been cleared for grazing and large-scale mining operations. It disturbs the movement and the survival of wildlife including elephants and tigers. Hence, some of the plateau regions are protected areas. Population and settlements of this region. Population density in this region is average 200 to 500 persons per square kilometers. Except Chhattisgarh where it is 100 to 200 persons per square kilometer according to 2011. There are numerous tribes in the region such as the Bhils and the Meenas who all differ in remarkable from the others in their dialects and social lives. They encompass variety of languages and culture. Some tribes of region notable are nomadic tribes from the Marwa regions of Rajasthan. The Gadiya Lohar who work as Lohars visit the region at the beginning of the agricultural period to repair and sell agricultural tools and implements. The regions of Indore and Ujjain has a considerable Marathi speaking population. Ujjain had been the political, economic and cultural capital of the Malwa region. In ancient times and Indore is presently the largest city and commercial center. Throughout the hilly tract of the Aravalli region, hamlets are the widely dispersed, whereas hills of Mewar, Marwar and Alwar have isolated farmsteads. In the riverine tracts of Bundelkhand, large compact villages occupy the favorable and protected sites. Malwa region, owing to its fertile soil, has helped in the growth of large clustered settlements. The Chota Nagpur Plateau region shows great variation in the types and patterns of rural settlements. Compact and clustered settlements are developed in the fertile and level areas of Bundelkhand Plateau and Chhattisgarh Plain. Rural settlements exhibit mixed type of and depending upon the nature of relief and soil fertility, water supply and socio-economic development. Dear learners, if you like the video, kindly do like and share this video. Thank you all.